Hi there, my name is Evan Aubé, and if it's not already clear, I am definitely more comfortable behind the camera than I am in front of the camera. But I want to thank you for stopping by my YouTube channel. If you're already a subscriber, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Your support means the world to me. If you're not yet a subscriber, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you get updates when I drop new videos. I am not a sponsored shooter. I'm not a professional shooter, but it's something that I love doing. So any of the gear that I use, any of the reviews that I do are unsponsored, unpaid, and unbiased. I shoot real estate photography, I shoot portraits, I shoot for our family's travel site, Aubé Family Adventures. So what can you expect from me and from this channel? Above all else, continued improvement. It is my goal to get better each time I post something. It may not be perfect, it probably will never be perfect, but I hope that it continually improves, and I hope that you appreciate the journey. Once again, thank you very much for coming by my channel. It was very nice to meet you. And again, if you're a subscriber, thank you very much. And if you're not yet a subscriber, I hope you will be. Thanks. Bye for now.